Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. As you read by the title, this is a collaboration birthday bash for a good friend of mine whose name is Lnegz. His link will be down in the description box along with everybody else that decided to join in this collab. Now I know that he is doing his own birthday collab and that is totally different than this one. I put this one together. I invited a bunch of people to do an eye look, shout out, whatever they wanted to do for his birthday. So I am going to do an eye look. I wanted to wait and do it with y'all. I'm going to do my eyes first, just because I'm going to tape them off, which I usually do not do. But we are going to do it today. So if you don't know who Lnegz is, he is absolutely a hoot. Every live premiere video, there's always something that I enjoy that he is doing. In today's video, we are going to be using Color Pops, Meant to Be, and Smoke Show. Black and green are some of his favorite colors. So that is what I have decided to use. I am going to start out in the Meant to Be palette. That is what that looks like. And I am going to start out in the color Get Fresh. So Lnegz does reviews, beauty, unboxings. He's just, I don't know, there's something about his energy that just gets me every time. He's very generous. He does giveaways. He is a huge Jeffree Star fan. I don't know. I enjoy Lnegz. I wanted to do something special for his birthday. So, getting this little collab group was what I did for it, I guess. I'm going to go into Seltzer next. So I hope that he enjoys all the channels that are in this collab. That stopped and took a minute to say happy birthday, do an eye look, or a shout out. Okay, so there's Seltzer and Get Fresh. I am going to take a tiny bit of this Ice Cold. Such a goofy name for it. But we're going to use that also. Now I could have used the Just My Luck palette, but I don't use this palette nearly enough. So this is the one we grabbed. Alright, so there's our green so far, and then the Smoke Show, this palette is now called Blowing Smoke. Colored Rain, Name palette, the whole 9 yards. I'm sure y'all know all about it. That is what this palette looks like. I am going to go into the color Slated first, and we are going to put that right out here on the outer V. I forgot I taped my eyes off. Probably did not go over nearly enough. I hope my tape is straight. Alright. I'm going to go back into some of that seltzer. Got a fly in here that is bugging me. And then some of that ice cold. Don't think my tape is straight. Well, it's what we are working with, so. Alright. Back into that slated. Alright, then I'm going to take some of the Let's Do It, which is the black color. And we're just going to add that to that slated. There that is. I'm just positive it's not straight. Alright. I'm going to go back into Meant to Be. I'm going to take the color Mojito Miami. I do want to say thank you to everybody who pulled together to join me in this collab. I love when we can all get together and do things. Alright, now I'm going to go into the color Minty. We're going to put that right on top of that other. I don't know why, it just helps bring that color out. Okay, let's see how off we were. Well, it's not too awful bad. Alright, so I'm going to pause y'all and do the rest of my face, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is our finished look. I did use the Jeffree Star Mermaid Blood on my lash line. My eyes are not even, but they are pretty close. Don't usually do this kind of eyeshadow look, but all in all, it turned out pretty cute. I can see where I messed up, but nobody's perfect. Either way, I'm sure he won't mind. I also used the Extreme Frost Choking on Ice. It's an absolutely stunning highlighter. Just beautiful. And Lnegz is a big of Jeffree Star fan as I am, so anytime I get to break this bad boy out and use him, I'm going to. I did do the bottom lash line in the colors we used on top. The inner corner, I used the color Play It Cool out of Meant to Be for my inner corner. But this is my look. So, Lnegz, I hope you have a happy birthday, honey. I hope you like the little collab I threw together in honor of your birthday. As I said, this is a collab, so please do go over, visit all the channels, let them know that you came to see what they created. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. If you are here from another channel, hi, I'm Becca. It's nice to meet you. I hope you decide to stick around. And that's it, guys. Until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.